Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen hot pot at home full guide. Start by prepping your broth and chopping vegetables to set a smooth pace for cooking. I will explain broth basics, protein choices, and noodle textures so you can build a balanced pot at home. Follow along step by step and adjust flavors to match your spice and salt preferences. Gather your ingredients and prep them thoughtfully to make the cooking stage effortless and fun. Measure and arrange aromatics, vegetables, proteins, and noodles so you can add things in proper order. I'll describe which vegetables hold up in hot broth and how to trim proteins for quick, tender results. This prep makes the final simmer smooth and brings out the best textures and flavors. Hey, if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more recipes out there. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is fantastic for reading recipe notes at the counter because it's glare-free and lightweight. I've linked a deal in the description along with more kitchen picks, so check that out for convenience and savings. Now let's get back to the video. Heat the pot and layer ingredients to build depth, starting with broth, then hearty vegetables, proteins, and finally noodles. Maintain a gentle simmer so flavors meld without overcooking delicate components like greens or thin noodles. I'll walk you through timing cues and tasting notes so your broth stays balanced and your noodles keep good texture. Serve family style and let everyone customize their bowl with toppings and condiments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.